Hello everyone, we are Group 3. Today we will talk about website analysis, organization and labeling. This is the main page of iHub. This website provides consumers with over 30,000 items like supplements, groceries, and cosmetics. What is mission and main audience of iHub? The mission is making a profit from users who come to this web page. The main audiences are young men looking for supplement, young women looking for cosmetics, and housewives looking for groceries. As you can see, many people use iHub. Unfortunately, when I visit this site, I feel uncomfortable. After learning about organization and labeling in our IA class, we can explain what are the good things and what are the bad things about architecture of iHub. When we identify the problems, we can then make suggestions to fix them.
Why are organization and labeling structures important? Most users are impatient. If those impatient users feel frustrated or confused when using the website, they will give up on the site and go somewhere else. By having bad architecture, iHub loses customers and their mission will be threatened. Let's start with organization. According to Miller's law, the number of main categories should be 7 plus or minus 2. This is based on the number of objects the average person can hold in their working memory. So they hide 6 categories and put them under the other tab. As you can see on screen, sports, superfoods, healthy home, pet supplies, diet and weight loss, and aromatherapy are hidden by the other tab.
When the users know exactly what they want, then alphabetical ordered lists are an effective way for users to find their need. In this way, iHub provides brand names and categories by alphabetical order. That's good. However, there are some problems. When you click alphabet N, now food is in brand and also in categories. Now food DHA, now food MSM, now food GMA. That's weird. Instead of placing those things under the N category, they should be classified under D for DHA, M for MSM, G for GMA.
Providing multiple ways to access the same item can help users with various perspectives. In this way, iHub gives users various access points. For example, this is a multivitamin for kids. Users can find this item under the Supplements tab and also under the Kids and Babies tab. Websites should consider their audience. For audience convenience, iHub provides a recently viewed item list and an item list from customers who viewed and bought this item. This will help users to make further useful decisions that they didn't think of before. As we mentioned before, the main audience of iHub are young men, women, and housewives. For further audience convenience, we suggest iHub provides 3 access points that are specific to the 3 types of audience. This can be similar to the SKKU website division by SKKU people non-SKKU people, and preliminary students. We also suggest a more user-oriented page like the YouTube customized channel.
The main drawback of this site is its hierarchy. As for breadth, there are so many options under Bath and Beauty. That's a disaster. There is no ordering. The information is very scattered. Users can't figure out where the things are and have to spend lots of time trying to find things. We can solve this problem by increasing depth. This can be achieved by adding one more grouping. For example, Gmarket has three levels which make it easier to understand. As shown here, we could group Bath and Beauty like this by breaking it down based on body part or characteristics of the users.
Similarly, the Supplements tab has too many options in one level. We can solve this problem by adding hybrid organization. For example, GNC, the supplement website, uses hybrid organization. They provide supplements by category, brand, ingredient, and the goal of the users. Similarly, iHub can provide supplements by who will take them, what function the user expects from them, and what brand of supplement they want.
Now, let's dig into labeling. iHub provides heading labels with both text and icons. Iconic labels can add an aesthetic quality to a site. If users are exposed regularly, iconic labels can work as useful shorthand. Each heading should clearly say what it is for and also be differentiated from other headings. Too many of iHub's labels don't represent the content they link to or are meant to represent. For example, other than clicking through, users have no way to learn what conditions mean or what the difference is between conditions and sports.
Another example is superfood. This label describes a single link, which is wasteful. And that link, grocery, seems to be a place for all the food. Why is superfood used here? We suggest new heading labels. We took up the superfood heading and instead placed it under grocery. And we also combined conditions, weight loss, and sports into health. When we choose one term for a label, we should stick to it. For example, when the website chooses the label for help as FAQ, they should stick to it. Not also use frequently asked question or help. However, iHub uses both help topics and frequently asked question. That's a problem. Inconsistent use of labels can make users confused. A website should choose one label and stick to it. Otherwise, it could destroy the understanding that the user needs when navigating the site.
How to present labels is also important. There are fonts, size, color, and white spaces. Each has a unique function. Bolding helps the reader identify heading labels. Color makes headings standing out. For example, I have present important subheadings with color. Shipping weight is important because it influences delivery fees. By coloring the heading, it catches the user's eye easily. Bolding or indenting can help readers identify heading labels too. In iHub, middle dots act as an indent. However, there is no middle dot under other ingredients or the warnings heading label. Also, there is no bolding used for relief of heading. If the intention was to be placed it under the description, indent is a better choice than eliminating bolding.
This is the end of our analysis. Well-refined organization and labeling system help both users and providers. Users can find what they want easily and more effectively if the labeling and organization structures are good. If the provider follows these rules, they can make a lot of profit and be confident that they are not missing any customers. Thank you for listening.